Welcome, from me is DOOGEE X80, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, let's open up content that you want to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You'll get the animation, and then it kind of disappears, and that's about it. Now the screenshot has been captured. Now there is also another way of capturing it, which is a little bit less convenient, but it is by holding the power key and then selecting screenshot from here. And that's the exact same thing, but just less conveniently. So from there, the screenshots can be found in your photo gallery. So let's actually find that. And it looks like it's right here. I'm gonna go to the library and we should see screenshots. There we go. And as you can see, there are the two screenshots that I have captured. So that is how you'd capture any kind of screenshot on the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.